What it is, yo? Oh, what's up? Back with another video.
I'm living my best life. I made a couple L's with my best friends. Turn on my L's in the
What's up? It's your girl Curly Mo back at it again with another video for you guys and myself, because hair's not done. Today's video is gonna be how I do a slick back, okay? Yeah, it's gonna hurt. Slick back is my go-to style for anything, you know what I mean? Like, go-to, like, whoo, I'm gonna do to my hair, I'm gonna slick it back. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So today we're gonna use the following: Eco Styler gel, some ear control I got from school, Miss Mielle's curl mousse to seal the deal, because moussing your slick back down, thebomb.com, okay? Also, you know you're gonna need some water. You're not about to slick this dry stuff down. You know you're not about to slick this dry hair down. Okay. My favorite edge control, because it be getting me right. This little bristle brush, a scrunchie, a big one, because you know you can wrap that thing about 16 times. You gotta detangle your hair. You know I don't use no combs in my hair unless I'm partying. And this bad boy, so I can lay my edges. So let's get started. So before we start, let me just show y'all. My man gave me this anchor as a charm, and I always be like, baby, why did you give me this anchor? Like, why? He'd be like, you know, because I'm in the Navy. That's not true. He got me this anchor because I'm stuck with him, because I'm always getting stuck in this jangle bracelet. So that's why he gave me this charm. Don't let him tell you just because he in the Navy, because I be in this dang on charm. If you watched my last video, you would know that I just had braids back here. So it's going to hurt to kind of detangle this. So don't judge. Oh. Oh, oh. Okay, it wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad. Wasn't that bad. Just a little rough start. A little rough start. Okay. Okay. That's a workout. Try detangling that. So I'm gonna detangle the other section. Marquise Hammond. I'm gonna rough start. So as you saw, my hair split into two, and it's split into two because I find it easier to slick my hair back when it's in two parts. Time for our handy dandy Eco Styler that I can't ever open. I had just to pop the, okay. Okay, so what I do, rub it, and I like to just place it.
Brush and brush it in.
Need a comb. I don't know if y'all mamas used to do this, but my mama used to do this to get the straight part. Watch it, it'll be straight. Ow, it's straight.
Just gonna run this, give me through one more time. See? Trying to just pull it so we can fall away. Detangle this side again as well.
Good. And you're literally just painting, literally Cleaning it down. My baby hairs are blonde still, so. Ooh. Who just had like trash here? Who? Ooh, a little bun. All right, like I said, you want this to be as flat as possible, so literally keep brushing up. Now, I just try to give a form of how I want my edges to be. Oh, that was nice. I literally just run my knuckle through it. I'm so weird. I run my knuckle through it, just put it on the back of my hand. But okay.
I'm kind of just swoop it in. It's kind of hard when you got blonde baby hairs because I can't really tell.
Look like I got horrible lace front. There we go. Alright, and write that line in. Just pull that down, do the same thing. Whoop. Okay, chill, be easy, bro. So we're gonna have a little line. I'm just gonna create a little swoop. Oop. Shake, 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 shake. 3 pumps. Ooh, wait, real quick. Boom, it's falling. Ah, got it. Got it. It smells good. Y'all literally just mousse me down. Lay this on here for like 5 minutes. Oh, Jesus. You know, I don't be wanting to look like I'm bald, so I be trying to just lightly do this. I don't have no line. And BRB, boo. I'm back. So, dang, how I tie this on here. So, we done. We let her set for like a couple minutes. Be easy taking it off, bro. Ooh, we still slick. Look at that shine. I just, this stuff smells so good. And just seal the deal. Hope you guys like this slick back bun.
With my best friends, turn all my L's into lessons.